Hello, Chimdike.
Hello, Mommy.
How are you today?
Great.
Today we are going to do kindergarten math.
Yay!
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Let's begin.
Woohoo!
Oh, look, we have many whiteboard markers, different colors. Which is your favorite color?
Red.
You like red?
Yeah.
This is amazing. And you have a red shirt as well.
Yeah, also red clothes.
Oh, beautiful. So let's begin, okay? We are going to start with simple addition for kids, okay? Kindergarten maths, simple addition. Let's begin with your favorite color. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so what number is this?
3.
3. Do you know this sign?
Plus.
Plus.
0.
0.
Equals.
Amazing! Oh my goodness, you remembered everything.
Yeah.
Good job, good job. So this is 3 plus 0 equals...
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. So let's do it this way. This is 3. It means we have, let's use the dots to count.
Alright.
We have 3 dots. 1,
1, 2,
2,
3.
3. This is 0.
So we don't need to put any dots.
Good job! Because 0 means nothing. So we don't need to put any dots, okay?
Yeah.
So 3 plus 0 equals 3. Because here we have 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. But here we have no dots. So let's count all the dots. 1, 2, 3. And no dots. So 3 plus 0 equals 3. Amazing. Okay, do you want to write 3?
Yep.
Can you write 3? Go ahead. Amazing. Good job. This is wonderful. You are doing so well. So let's do another number. This is so amazing. So 3 plus 0 equals 3. I like your 3. It's so amazing. So let's say the next one is 5 plus 0 equals. What's 5 plus 0?
5.
Oh my goodness. How did you get to know that?
Because I remembered what you told me.
Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. So 5 plus 0 equals 5. Because here we have 5. So how many dots do we have in 5?
5 of them.
So,
Let me write them.
Do you want to make the dots? Okay, use another color. Use this color to make the dots. Make 5 dots, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. What about 0? How many dots do we have in 0?
We don't need to make them.
We don't have any dots in 0, right?
Yeah.
So 5 plus 0 equals
5.
5. Amazing. Can you write 5? Okay, why not use this color? Use this color to write 5. Okay? Write 5. Amazing! This is awesome! This is so good! 5 plus 0 equals 5. Good job. Good job. We're gonna take off this because we don't have much space, okay?
Yeah.
This is a very small board, okay?
If it was a big one, we can have so many space.
Yes. So can you help me to erase? Thank you. This is amazing. This is awesome. Thank you for cleaning the board.
And it looks so clean.
It looks so clean, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so next we're gonna add another number. Today we're gonna add number plus 0, okay?
Yeah.
So we're gonna add 0 to every number we are going to do today, okay?
Yeah. For the side, we're gonna make the side into 4, and we're gonna make the middle into 0, and then we'll make 4 on the next one.
Okay, so do you mean 4
Yeah.
plus 0 equals?
I know.
What is the answer? 4 plus 0. I believe in you. You can do it. Wow! 4 plus 0 equals 4. This is amazing because 4, we can make 4 dots from 4, right?
Alright.
Do you want to make the dots?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, go ahead. Make 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What about 0?
We don't need.
We don't need to make any dots because 0 means nothing.
And-
So 4 plus 0 equals 4.
4.
Good job. 4 plus 0 equals 4. So next we're gonna make...
How about 6 plus 0 into 6?
Okay, let's do 6 plus 0 equals.
I know.
First, can we use the dots method?
Yeah.
Okay.
Equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What about for 0? How many dots do we need?
No.
No dots. So 6 plus 0 equals 6. Good job. Good job. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of you. So 6 plus 0 equals 6. Amazing. Amazing. This is so beautiful. This is colorful. And this is very good. Okay?
Yeah. High 5 for knowing.
Okay, so can you erase the board? Clean up, clean up. Our board is so small, right?
Yeah.
Maybe one day we're gonna have a very big board. What do you-
Even bigger than a house.
Bigger than a house, right?
Yeah. Bigger than any house and bigger than the earth.
Okay, so it means 0 plus any number is that number.
Yeah.
So let's say 0 plus, oh sorry,
Hey, wait.
just a moment. 0 plus 1 equals,
I know.
just tell me first.
1.
1, okay?
Wait.
0,
I
just
want
wait.
to do it.
You do yours later, okay? 0 plus 2 equals,
0 plus 2 is, I don't know.
come on,
2?
2, because 0 means nothing. 0 plus 2 equals 2. Good job. What about 0 plus
3?
3 equals 3. 0 plus,
4?
oh my god, let me take off this one so we can have space. So 0 plus 4 equals 4.
Everything that you put a 0 in the middle belongs to the same number.
Yes, when it comes to addition, 0 plus any number
It's easy.
gives you that same number. So let's say 0 plus 5 equals... No, don't take it off.
Wait,
It's okay.
I'll write it.
No, just there's no space here.
No, I mean this side.
Okay, we're gonna take this off later, okay?
Alright.
But first of all, can you tell me 0 plus 5?
0 plus 5 is 5.
Good job. 0 plus 6.
0 plus 6 is 6.
0 plus 7.
0 plus 7 is 7.
0 plus 8.
0 plus 8 is 8.
0 plus 9.
0 plus 9 is 9.
Oh my goodness, this is amazing. 0 plus 10.
I don't know.
Remember, 0...
10.
10. Good job. Good job. Because 0 plus any number gives
Belongs
you
to the
that same
number.
number. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 4 is 4. And 0 plus 5
Is
5. Good job. Amazing.
and look, if you try and make 5 and 5, it will make 10.
Okay, are you ready to solve some math problem?
Yup.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you some equation and you will write down the answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let us take off this one. Can you clean up the board? Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Chindike, do your best. Clean up, do your very best.
Done.
Good job. So I'm gonna give you some equation and you have to do it yourself, okay? So this is equation 1. I hope this is not gonna confuse you. Equation 1. So we say
0.
0 plus 0 plus 3 equals equation 2. 0 plus, oh, let me use another color to do it. So it's gonna be so colorful.
And how?
Not really. 0 plus 7 equals,
0 plus
and let's use your favorite color to do equation 3,
0 plus
and we have 0 plus 10 equals. Now, are you ready to
Yes.
solve this math problem?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Do you think it's difficult?
Yeah.
Is it difficult?
Yeah. It's like so difficult.
Really?
Yeah.
But we just did it. I don't think it's difficult. So, can you sit here? Come to this side. Sit on this other side so that you can have a proper balance, okay?
Okay.
So, Chindike, are you ready to solve the equation?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
One.
No, that is not 1. That is equation 1.
Oh. 0 plus 3 equals 3.
Keep writing. When you are done, I'll check.
Now I'll change. How to overread?
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, let me check. So, equation 1, this is equation 1. And it says 0 plus 3 equals...
3.
Good job! Good job! 0 plus 7 equals...
7.
7. Good job! 0 plus 10 equals amazing. This is the right answer, okay?
Yeah.
You did an amazing job, okay?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm so proud of you. So what do you want to say to our viewers?
See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. I'm zooming out.